Right guys, well that was fun while it lasted. As you can see, my motorsports RC4 drive trophy truck here, or Ultra 4 truck I should say. The wheels just came off, so I think I know what this is. I found a weakness in this car. First of all, I absolutely love it. As you can see, it's super scale detail, beautiful looking car. 2-stage suspension at the front, lock-in diffs, front rear wheel drive, all the works, full interior, everything you would want in a scale RC. The only thing it doesn't come with for the price I think it should have is the headlight kit, which I probably will fit at some point. But I had it off the road for a while. I was waiting on a couple of wheels come in. Believe it or not, they were out of stock for 3 months for the wheels. So these are still the original wheels. It wasn't actually the wheels I was after. What the issue is with this car is I've replaced the back wheel. I didn't really know the front one I'd went as well when I had it crawling. But the wheels obviously lock onto little bars onto your axle hubs and they turn round. You can see this one's absolutely worn out. So inside there, on the other side, my wheel nuts obviously came loose. Maybe I've had it off in the past and not tightened it up. But the plastic on these is really cheap. For the price of the RC car, these brake discs and plastics are really weak. I mean, it is a 3S RC, so it's doing a lot of power. And I think at the stage when I've been crawling, I had the diffs locked and be a little bit stuck. It's kind of chewed up the inside of there. So to buy these little axle internals, you need to buy the full wheel, which is about 30 odd pound for effectively probably a couple of pound part that I want in the wheel. Unlike other RC cars, it's like a real car wheel. You've got the 6 little hex nuts. I think they're 6mm if I remember. Inside there you've got your wheel nut, and basically they sit on the brake disc like a real sort of truck. So scale realism looks good, practicality not the best. What I think I might do is, first of all, since I've got them, I'm going to put another one of these on, see how I go. It's a little bit fiddly, it takes about 20 minutes by the time you get everything on and off and cleaned up, etc. But if these don't work, I might just put conventional crawler wheels on it, just with basically the bar, the wheel hex, and bolt it straight on. It might be a better fix. Other than that, with the car, the servo's outstanding, the performance is great, the realism, even the little sort of straps at the back, etc. Everything is fantastic. But yeah, a little bit bummed out. I've not had it out for ages, having a lot of great fun there. As you can see, I'm really going to need to clean it. Went through a few puddles and things. Something I promised I wasn't going to do with the RC, but today I was just in the mood. So yeah, we'll get this back together, we'll get out again soon. I do highly recommend the car because it's lovely, beautiful, fast, great at crawling as well. When you take it crawling, it kind of is a real all-rounder, but for the sake of having the super scale wheels, it seems to be a bit more trouble than it's worth. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. The way I've done it, I'm just going to put the run up first, show the live action of the wheel coming off, and yeah, we'll have her back out again soon, maybe do some crawling. The only other thing that it's a little bit annoying that I've done, this is my own fault, when I had it off, I've broke the little rear diff lock horn, so I need to replace that as well so I can actually get fully locking all the way around when I want to. Right now I've just been running 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive open diff, but to get it fully locked I'll need to stick that back on. Nothing major, I've got the parts in my basket, but yeah, a good moment of RCing cut short there. So get it home, get it cleaned, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video that I've got. I'll be back with something else soon. I'm not too sure what, to be honest. I really like to get my sort of super motorbike out soon. All the areas I kind of run right now are kind of fully like car parks and roadworks and things. Might try and get that done soon, but for just now, there's the RC 4-wheel drive. Hopefully you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, bye.